All right, are you ready?
I think so. Oh. Yes.
All right. I got 21.6 miles to go. Glad you made it?
Yes.
Hi y'all. Unfortunately, my hiking partner had to bow out at Dowdell's Knob. We're about 14.5 miles of 23 miles. Her back was an issue. I'm not having the best back issues right now either, but I think I can finish. I've got 2.5 miles left today, camp for the night, and then 6 miles tomorrow to do the full through hike. Wish me luck. So I just wanted to note my walking sticks have been used as spiderweb clearing mechanisms for the majority of the trip. There's spiderwebs every morning. Finally, I reached a popular loop and people have already been here. No more spiderwebs to clear, so I can use these as hiking sticks. Prettiest part of the hike so far. And I'm glad that I saved it to the very end.